In today's video, we're going to be paying a PayPal invoice, having an existing PayPal account, but changing the shipping address. If you look in your email inbox, you'll see that you have an invoice. It says, here's your invoice from A&A. We're going to view and pay, so we're going to click right there. Next, it'll take us to the screen where it actually has the invoice there. One thing that's very important is on the top right-hand side, you're going to see your invoice number. This is the number that you're going to use if you ever call in the office for tracking, warranty, delivery time. This is always what you're going to reference. Makes things real quick. If you scroll down a little further, you're going to see the description of the product that you're buying, the price, the shipping. A little further down is your terms and conditions, which is all your warranty. Make sure you read that so you're up to speed on what is covered and what isn't covered under the warranty. Below that is going to be your installation instructions. A couple areas that are more important than others. One is exchange the oil pan and the pickup tube from your old engine onto the new one. Reason we want you to do that is we want it to fit properly in your engine cradle. Next thing is replace gaskets and seals. The gaskets are the front seal, rear main seal, valve cover gasket, oil pan gasket. Each one of these gaskets, it's only about $5 to $10 over at AutoZone. If you change them now, it's very inexpensive. If you go to change them later and you have an oil leak, you could be talking $600 or $700. So you got a difference of 10 to 20 bucks or $600 to $700. That's why we always tell people to take care of these gaskets and seals. Very important. Every other thing there is noted. If you have any questions on all the other parts, just feel free to give us a call. Scrolling back up, we're going to pay the invoice, so we're going to click on the pay button. It's going to take us to our login screen. Log us in. Okay. You're going to see here, it's going to say hello. It's going to say ship to. This is where it's very important. This is where you have to click the change button. Change ship to address. You're going to click add. Then that's where you're going to put your shipping address. After you put the shipping address, you hit save. Use that as a shipping address where you would like your product shipped to. Then you're all set. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed the video.